It's a season of pepper soup, my people. Let's make goat meat pepper soup for lunch. Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Today we are cooking goat meat pepper soup. First of all, I will add in the goat meat inside a clean pot, then season with all-purpose seasoning that contain goat meat spices. Then the same time, I will add in already blended goat meat spices, which is pepper soup spices. Then stir this together. Don't forget to check my description box. I'm going to leave the names of the ingredients. Then cover this to cook for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will open and see how it's done. After 5 minutes later, this is what I have. Now I will stir together, then add in the already blended ingredient, which is the hot pepper and green bell pepper and onions. So this is just blend, and I will just add in a little bit of water and stir together. Our today hug goes to Blessing Igwe, watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much, my lady. I'm seeing your amazing support. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for being part of the family. I really appreciate your support, my lady. Thank you so much for being part of the family. And don't forget to let us know where you are watching from so that the next hug will be for you. And always share our post. Thank you for being part of us. So now I'm done stirring the pepper soup. I'm going to add in the water that will enable this to get cooked. So I will be cooking the goat meat pepper soup for 15 minutes before it will cook. You know, goat meat sometimes is strong, sometimes you will see the soft one, sometimes you will see the soft one, but for this particular is strong. So I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes before it will be ready. I'm just testing to see if the salt is okay or not. So now I will just cover because the salt is okay. I did not add any other ingredient. Now it's already 15 minutes later. This is what I have. So I will still stir together. After stirring, I'm going to add in the spices, which is the scent leaf. If you are cooking goat meat pepper soup, or if you are cooking pepper soup, you do not add scent leaf in your pepper soup. I don't know what you are cooking though, because for me, without scent leaf, I don't think I'm going to call it pepper soup, because I will not even eat it or see the taste. So I like to add in a little bit of scent leaf inside my pepper soup. Then after doing that, I will just cover that 3 to 4 minutes so that the scent leaf and the pepper soup will simmer together. I will just stir and cover that. At this point, the pepper soup is getting ready. You can as well bring your plate of rice. So I will see that the water is so thick. Then I will still add in some water so that I will have a lot of stock. And after doing that, I will just stir together. So this will give it a final cook. Everything will be ready. One thing I like in pepper soup is the water. So I like the stock water because that is what I will use to eat it with rice or whatever I'm going to eat it with. Even if I'm not eating with anything, I just like to drink it like that. So I like to see a lot of stock water inside my pepper soup, something like this. So now it's cooked and it's ready to serve. We are going to enjoy this, and this is just what we have for today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.